Hello all. In this video, let's see how we can convert a given integer to a binary format using Python. So this is one of the questions that were asked in one of the interviews in the FANG companies. So let's go ahead and let's see how we can do this one. So what exactly the asked question over here? So the first, whenever you're performing in the interviews, so the first critical thing is that you have to analyze what exactly the ask over here. So what I'm telling over here, you will get a number, an integer, and you have to convert to a binary format. So your input, you already know it is an integer, and the output should be binary format. So let's jump into the Colab notebook and click on connect over here, and then let's see. For example, if the given number is 10, I would like to convert this as a binary number. How we can convert? You can use one of the Python inbuilt function which is called bin of n. So this is the value. So after conversion of a given integer, for example, let's say in this example, it is 10. It has given the output as 0b1010 0. If you look at this output carefully, the first two digits numbers, it represents that there is a binary number, and the last four, it represents that the actual binary number. So what we have to do, I'm much interested in the last four digits but not in the first two, so I'm going to use a slicing. So if you're not aware of Python, core Python basics, do go to my channel and then look for Python, core Python videos, do watch them. So once I execute this one, so this is the output. And what my advice to everyone who are preparing for the Python interviews, instead of directly writing a logic, I always suggest the people to write everything using the functions. So let's implement the same using the functions. Define into binary. Okay, let's say the given is n. So I would like to return so the same output over here, just copy here and paste it here. Now let's test this one. So I would like to pass 10. The output is 10 0 10 0. So instead of passing like this, print conversion from into binary. So why we are using the print statement over here? So if you're not using the print statement, just assume that after 1 year you come back to a specific function, and if you're seeing output as 1010, you might end up with confusion at what exactly is 1010. So always, even if it is an interview, always ensure that whatever the output that you're printing, it should be like precise and clear. So this is how quickly we can convert a given integer into a binary, and this looks like so simple. I have like some 100 plus videos, 100 plus concepts where I will take you from easy level to medium and medium level to hard level. Do watch rest of the videos. Thanks a lot. All the best.